Hi, I'm Derek McKercher and I'm the Director, Founder of PSW Energy in Perth, Western Australia. The product I'm here to talk to you today about is the Tesla Powerwall 3 and how it's changing the lives of West Australians. The experience with Tesla Powerwall 3 has been mind-blowing, purely because it's simplified the entire energy ecosystem. The way we think about energy storage now is more like a home power router. And with Powerwall 3, it's a simplified device. 2 boxes on the wall, 1 battery, inverter, all-in-one solution, and a gateway. The gateway is predominantly a communication device and blackout protection, but it's not just a novelty. It's a comprehensive home blackout solution. What I love about the Tesla Energy product is its ecosystem. Now, it just continues to keep evolving, that it's more than just a battery. It is a home power router. It is an energy hub. It is your electrification journey all bundled into one. And so what Tesla will do is they will release firmware updates that will unlock additional features that you come to expect as the normal, whereas other batteries on the market, they're just batteries. They're just storage devices. It's fair to say after 7 years of installing Tesla Energy products, it's a very dependable solution. And then what it dives into one step further is that customers can see it because they can hold it in the palm of their hand from the Tesla app. Energy savings and energy security. So durability with Tesla Powerwall 3, it's marketed as an ultimate battery in terms of flood protection, in terms of heat resistance, in terms of almost every specification you can think of, it's in an industry elite caliber. In terms of real world practicalities, durability has been on point in Western Australian conditions. Well, in terms of Tesla Powerwall, definitely the number one competitor that a lot of people are comparing at the moment is against SIG Energy, Store. Both have come up to be elite caliber technology, both innovative. Tesla Powerwall 3 is super strong on the single phase market. And in terms of SIG Energy 3-phase, they're just built differently. They handle those loads. Each product has its own specific strengths in terms of those power supplies. The pricing of Tesla in comparison to others is on the higher side. But in saying that, you're getting a lot more. So if you're comparing just kilowatt hours versus kilowatt hours, expect the higher side. So if you just want a battery for storage and not planning to do anything greater beyond that, then potentially it's not for you. But if you're looking for something with probably the greatest upside of future possibilities in terms of your home electrification system, and we're already seeing it, where if you can become independent from your own alternative energy supply, then that shields you from global volatility. Now, we don't have any hidden costs with Tesla products, and it's usually because we've got a great relationship with the manufacturer. So if there is any issue, we onboard it. And we act as the one-point contact for the customer. And we handle all warranty process and the service in aftercare. And that ensures that the customer journey is seamless, especially for the next 10 years, which is under that warranty period. So our installation workmanship warranty matches our manufacturer guarantees. That way the customer has no unforeseen expenses. Shipping, no. In terms of product supply, no. Unless we've caused it ourselves, then we have to accept responsibility for that. So if it is a glass faceplate, then that's on us. But no, there's no hidden costs, no real aftercare or maintenance. It's a solid product. And I wouldn't foresee any recurring expenses unless you exceed the capacity of the battery and you've got to pay for power. If I were to pick any particular weaknesses of Tesla in comparison to other battery technologies, it would probably be the scalability. It does come in 13.5 kilowatt hour chunks. And for a lot of people, that might not be ideal. So there are alternative batteries on the market that could be better catered for. I've already mentioned it. 3-phase is a weakness when it came out with just a single phase product. I think that's going to change, but definitely the scalability. 13.5 5 isn't ideal for everybody. One physical weakness would be the glass faceplate. We have seen a couple of those break by the time they get to site. So installers must learn how to handle that with care. But other than that, the glass faceplate looks great. They've created a dolly and it's really helpful, but it's another thing you have to cart around to site. It's heavy. We're talking about 130 kilos. So in terms of what the rest of the market offers, installation, it could be potentially rethought about in terms of the individual installer and the amount of equipment they've got to take to site. Usability though, when it's in the customer's hand, it's really good. The software is great. It's always evolving. However, we're seeing some really nice user interfaces come to market with competing brands, which is great. It's great to have competition in the market. We moved on to another product for similar level of service for the three-phase customer in SIG Energy. In terms of the gateway, it was developed, it was ready. In terms of the modularity, it does have reduced capacity in scalability. So you can scale in 5 or 8 kilowatt hour units. And that is where we made a shift to SIG Energy 2 years ago. But because of that, Tesla's a great product, SIG Energy is a great product. We operate both products in unison now. I'm going to give it 3 for installation and usability. In terms of performance and reliability, I will give this a 4. Build quality and durability, I'm going to give it a 4.5. Tesla Powerwall 3, 5 out of 5 in terms of value.